The chemical levels are stable at 98%.
Good. Maintain the temperature at 40 degrees Celsius.
The temperature in chamber 3 is stable at 250 Celsius.
Acknowledged. The output looks good.
Humidity levels are stable in zone 3.
Good. Airflow seems optimized.
Keratin levels are stabilizing at 98%.
Acknowledged. Ramping up pneumatic flow to optimize separation.
The flow rate on the binding agent seems stable now.
Yes, the thermal data confirms optimal saturation levels. We can proceed to the drying unit.
The quality control on this batch is excellent.
Agreed. The automated system is performing flawlessly.
The R value is holding steady under maximum load.
Good. Log that in the report, making sure to note the slight deviation at 500 kCa.
We need this pallet moved to zone 4 immediately.
Confirmed. I am scanning it now.
This massive automated warehouse utilizes recycled feather-based insulation, demonstrating a leap forward in sustainable storage solutions.
Pallet 34B confirmed. Get the next one ready for Bay 4.
Copy that. Moving now.
So this insulation is entirely feather-based, completely renewable and sustainable.
Wow, that's really innovative. How does it handle moisture?
This is the feather waste reprocessing loop. Leftover fibers are collected by suction, broken down by
Sensors guarantee uniform coverage, as the eco-safe chemicals are pressed deep into the feather fibers, enhancing the fire resistance.
confirms the barbule interlocking.
And the handheld scan shows 0 inconsistencies. We can approve the batch.
As you can see, the recycling data from the last quarter is fully compliant.
And the physical documentation.
Keep it steady. Watch the clearance on the right. Copy that. Ready for the next one. Looks good. Secure it. All right, next panel up here.
The thermal resistance on the feather panels is exceptional.
Look at the delta T, barely any change on the blue side.
Look at the dramatic drop in decibels.
The feather insulation is incredibly effective.
This data confirms the noise reduction completely.
Look at how it springs back.
Excellent durability, even under high stress.
The fibrous structure holds up perfectly.
The feather insulation is already showing a 20% improvement.
And the acoustic dampening is remarkable.
Thermal resistance.
Look at the density here. The bonding patterns are stronger than we anticipated.
Yes, the beta keratin seems exceptionally stable at this magnification.
Resistance levels are holding steady at 98%. And the thermal imaging confirms 0 absorption on the reverse side.
The compression cycles are holding steady at 50,000.
Remarkable stability. The thermal resistance is barely fluctuating.
The heat flux is stable. The coating is holding.
Confirmed. Minimal surface spread, well within safety parameters.
The width is reading 45.5 millimeters.
Confirmed. I am processing the batch order now.
These innovative chicken feather panels are key to the building's high insulation value, installed rapidly by our synchronized teams.
There's a slight fluctuation here in the fiber distribution. See the red zone?
Yes, recalibrating the scan head. It's stabilizing now.
Look at that spike. The new algorithm is working.
98% efficiency on the feather stream, Supervisor. The gauge is reading exactly 95% compression.
And the fiber integrity is maintained. We are good to go.
As you can see, the pre-cut panels drop straight in, drastically reducing install time.
The zeta potential is optimal. We have achieved maximum dispersion.
Noted. The thermal readout confirms the enhancement.
The calibration status is optimal across the array.
Good. Let's proceed with the next panel integration.
Right there, the fiber distribution is inconsistent.
Confirmed. The algorithm caught the exact coordinates.
Utilizing advanced automation, this mega factory processes vast quantities of feather waste into sustainable insulation panels.
The current intake rate is exceeding projections by 15%.
Yes, the new routing algorithm is highly efficient.
Container secured. Bring it up slowly.
Affirmative. Loading sequence initiated for flight.
See how the protein chains align there? That's where the strength comes from.
And this is how we achieve the thermal resistance for the panels.
The thermal conductivity is decreasing precisely as predicted.
Yes, the feather structure is adapting well to the heat flux.
Okay, move it up another 2 feet. All right, locking this one in now.